Good afternoon, Sir Manuel Ampak. I'm sorry kay karon pa ko naka-submit sa kuang kuan sir sa video sir. Wala mong ko kasi sa Gcash sir mo na nahimo ko ng video. Ang ako ay kuan sir i-discuss kaning inject na ko sir na wala na ko na-submit sa Gclass. Tapos kani siya sir tong midterm and final activity na imong gipa namo ipa-answeran ning ako i-explain ang kana sir ning activity 6 ning read the instruction carefully. Ako basa ng problem sir. Problem number 1. A marine biologic is a tracking a tag chart. The chart starts at a point that is 100 meter deep and 15 meters horizontality is of a references point. And the shark swims north for the 200 meters and the dives straight down for 100 meters. Muna ang problem sir sa activity 6, problem number 1. And ang question sa problem number 1, activity 6 sir is what is the shark final depth below the ocean surface? And ang answer na ko ani sir kay the shark final depth is a 200 meters. And question number 2 said what is the shark final horizontal position relative to the references point? And ang answer na ko ani sir sa problem number 1, activity 6 number 2 is the shark final horizontal position is 15 meters 8. And number 3 sirs, problem number 1, question number 3, calculate the shark's total displacement from its starting point. And ang answer na one is sir kay the shark total displacement is 223.61 meter. Muna answer na ko sa problem number 1. First, ang answer sa question number 1, problem number 1, activity 6 is the shark final depth is a 200 meters. And second, the shark final horizontal position is 15 meters 8. And third, answer na order, the shark total displacement is 223.61 meter. And ari na punta sa problem number 2 sir ni activity 6. Problem number 2 sir is a submarine moves at a constant speed of 14 km per hour. Underwater is need to cover a horizontal distance of 120 km to each its destination. How long will it take a submarine to complete its journey? Question naning number activity 6 sir, problem number 2 sir kay morning, a submarine moves at a constant speed of 14 km underwater. It's need to cover a horizontal distance of 120 km to reach its destination. How long will it take the submarine to complete its journey? And ang gikuha ning answer sa sa speed sa sir, sa submarine moves at a constant speed of 14 km per hour. Kay ang speed of the submarine equal 14 km per hour, and second distance to be convert the 120 km, and third time equal distance speed equal 100 km and 40 km per hour and 3 hours. And akong gikuha na answer ni sir is it will take the submarine 3 hours to complete its journey. And problem number 3 sir, kaning ko answer. Problem number 3 sir, activity 6 sir. A submarine is moving along the surface of the ocean at a constant speed of 10 meters per second miles a speed of 10 meters per second meters is begin a vertical dive with a constant acceleration of 0.5 meters per second square meters 2 meters downward. After diving for 12 seconds, the submarine returns deep of 118 meters below the ocean surface. Ang question naning problem number 3, activity 6 sir, ay what was the submarine initial velocity when it began the dive? So gikuan sa what was the submarine initial velocity when it began the dive. Ang akong gikuan na ni sir sa akong gikuan niya what was the submarine initial velocity when akong gikuan sir ang i-define the coordinate system lit downward direction be positive, and gikuan ako ang given ani kay ang acceleration a equal 0.5 meters. Ang akong gikuan ning given sir kay ang acceleration a equals 0.5 millimeter time t equals 12 displacement and current y equal 180 meter. And ang answer na ko ni sir kay the submarine initial velocity was 12 millimeter downward. And second sir, question number 2 sir, problem number 3 sir, is what is the submarine final velocity after 12 seconds of diving? Use the kinematic equation and second substitute that values. And ang answer na ko ning problem number 3 sir, ning second question is answer na ko ning second question, problem number 3 sir, is the submarine initial velocity was 12 millimeter downward. And question number 3 sir is calculate the total distance the submarine is traveled during the dive. And ang answer na ko aning question number 3 sir is the total ang akong gikuha ning kuan sa problem number 3 sir kaning calculate the total distance the submarine traveled during the dive. Akong nakuha ning total ay nakalculate na the total distance sir kay the total distance the submarine traveled during the dive is 118 meters. And proceed tayo sa activity 7 sir sa NGEC ning question number ning so instruction solve each problem below. And ang question ning activity 7 sir ning NGEC question number 1 activity 7 sir NGEC a ship anchor when 1,500 kg ang kabug-aton niya sir and is being lifted from the seabed to the deck of the ship. If the depth of the water is at 20 meters, calculate the work done to lay the anchor. Assume the acceleration due it to gravity is 9.5 millimeters square 2. And ang answer na ko ni sir is 294,000 G. And ang 2 sir sa activity 7 sir is a small submarine is a submerged. And second sir, a small submarine. Muna yung consider activity 7 sir. Second ako nagbasa sir. A small submarine is submerged at a depth of 300 meters below the surface of the ocean. If the mass of the submarine is 200 kg, calculate the gravitational potential energy of the submarine relative to the surface of the ocean. And question number 3 sir, activity 7 sir, is a cargo ship when a mass of 5 million kg is moving a speed of 25 millimeters. Calculate the kinetic energy of the ship. Morning discussion sa activity 7 sir na imong gipa-answer na mo. And proceed ko sa activity 8 sir, NGEC 1. Activity 8, read the instruction carefully. Instruction, solve at each problem below. Question number 1, activity 8 sir, is the density of titanium is 4,507 kg mounts. The mass of 0.17 kg finds its volume. Second question, activity 8 sir, NGEC. A cylinder of plastic is a 100 meter long and 15 meter and diameter is it has mass of 1 kg determined is its specific gravity and indicate wherever it will float or sinks water. And third, a pressure of 200 PE is created over a area of 5 meter. What forces act to create this pressure? And question number 4, sir, activity 8. It calculates the difference between 97 m and 40 m and both Celsius degrees and in a Kelvin. And ang answer na ko aning activity 8, sir, is question number 1 is volume 3.77 times 10 minus 5 meter. And number 2, sir, is specific gravity equals 5.093, it will seek. And question number 3, activity 8, sir, is answer na ko ni sir kay force equals 1,000 north 1,000 n. And question number 4 na ko, sir, answer na ko, sir, is current C equals 31.67 degree and current K equals 331.67 K. And proceed tayo sa number 8, sir. Number 9. 9 mo niya kan question activity na activity, sir, is mo niya ako kana one answer. Explain ako ang activity 9, sir. Activity 9. Read the instruction carefully. Instruction. Question number 1, activity 9. The two similar bar magnets are held when their end falls 5 cm apart in air if they repel when the forces 18 8, and what is the strength of each pole assuming they are identical if the distance separating the two poles were double, what is the forces between them? Akong convert mo na yung problem number activity 9, sir, ni question number 1 is i-convert the distance from cm to meter. D equals 5 cm 0.05 and ang given na ni sir kay F equal 18 and D equal 5 cm. Find M1, M2, and Fs. The D is a double. Formula double. Ang formula po dani sir kay M1, M2, FD square 2, 9K. Ang gi-convert and 2, sir, second question activity 9, sir, is the determine the magnetic forces exerted on a 100 amp length of a electric power line carrying a current of 1,500 A and a location where the Earth magnetic field is 5 times 10 minus 5 T. The line is 16 degree when the Earth's field And ang answer na ko ni question number 2, sir, is 6 point. Ay akong nakuha na ning ang akong nakuha na ning field sa 5 times 10, sir, is akong nakuha ang answer, sir, kay 9.495 in. And mo to, sir, ang missing na ko sa NGEC 1 na wala na ako na-submit, sir. Mo to akong answer, sir. And thank you, sir, very much.